Hi everyone and welcome to my place and welcome to the new studio. I am excited that I've got all of this new visual stuff behind me. I'm equally as excited because I've got lots and lots and lots of room that I haven't had for ages. Now, the reason that you're here today is I have a friend whose dad is going to be 91. He was a great sportsman. They're having a party. When she told me about all the things that he had done and achieved as a young man, I asked her what it was that he liked the best of everything he'd achieved. Now, he won this cup in about 1950 for, I think it was for running or something. But I said to her, well, let's do flowers into the cup and let's do something that's a little bit artificial and a little bit fresh so that after the event, he can take it back to his new retirement home and he can lovingly have his cup on display. So this is what I want to share with you today. Now, he loves blue and he likes greens and he likes things that are strong and tough. So that's what we're going to do. Now, I've put some foam into the container, into the cavity of the cup. Now, I'm using the green foam because I am going to put some fresh succulents into it, and we can easily change those out, or if I can find some artificial succulents, we'll put those in due course. Now, as I said, he loves blue, and I have these lovely blue delphiniums, which I'm going to put in first. And I'm going to just put those towards the back there, or towards the side there. And with this one, I'm going to cut this ever so slightly shorter, and I'm just going to bring that into there, because if I had them at the height that they were, they'd have been just too top heavy. And the rule of thumb when you're doing any kind of designing is 1.5 to 2 times the height or the width of the container, whichever is the greatest. So the height is the greatest. So that's why I've done them to these measurements. And I'm just going to cut that shorter, and I'm going to bring that over and into the back. I want to be able to see the handles because, you know, it is what it is. It's a cup. Now, I've got a lovely branch here. So I'm just going to bring that branch and put that branch in over the back here, and I'll just turn that around so that you can see it. Whoops, I don't want to ruin my flowers. So I've got this really lovely, interesting bit of back happening here. And with this, I'm thinking I'm going to put that in over the other side so that that just hangs down like so. Now that little branch there, I know is going to be in the road, so I might as well just cut that off right now. Now I've got the lovely proteas, which I'm going to cut short as well, and I might as well cut those bits off because they're going to be in the road. And I'm just going to have that towards the back there and bring in the next one and step that down and make that just a little bit shorter as well. And I'm cutting off those extra bits of foliage that were down the stem because that's just going to make it really difficult for trying to insert that into the foam. Right, take that right down to the base there. Now, I also have this lovely little mushroom. I'm not sure what it was off it, but it's a little bit of artificial sort of mossy sort of I don't know what it is, but I thought it was quite lovely. And with this, what I'm going to do is just remove that and then that's got a hole there, so that little lily paddy thing. So I'm just going to stick that down and into there and bring that down and across there so that covers up some of the moss, some of the foam, and then just bring those flowers around there. Oh yes, that's looking much, much better. Now I've also got this lovely little thing here, which I'm going to insert down and into there so that just splays out. And then with these succulents, I'm just going to very gently take off those little leaves there, and I'm just going to very carefully just put that into there like so. And the great thing about succulents is they continue to grow and they cover a multitude of put that into there like that. They cover a lot of unnecessary foam that I don't want to see. Now I've also got a little space around here. So with these, I'm just going to just put those into there. If you had some leaves, you could perhaps put some leaves, but I think that this will do for now until I can get outside and get another bit of foliage. Put that there. In fact, I've got enough here. Why go out and get some more? What's that old adage? You know, waste not, want not. Put that into there, and that will just cover that up there quite nicely. Oh, yes, and I just need to, bringing this around, just bring that bit there just a little bit forward. Now, it looks like a something nothing, but let me tell you, my friend's dad is not into anything fluffy or florally. I think that that will be just perfect for his very strong, manly 91st party. I hope you've enjoyed this. And you know the other thing, sometimes it's a great idea to find what's hidden away in a cupboard, bring it out and enjoy it. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I've enjoyed sharing it with you, and I look forward to seeing you all again another day.